Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a gorgeous 1969 Road Runner, and there's a HEMI under the hood. Man, you're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see how beautiful the underside is. We're gonna get the hood up and check out that HEMI. We're gonna take a look at the interior. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Road Runner HEMI purchase. So come on up and let's fire this HEMI up. Look at this beautiful car, man. Chrome on the front bumper looks good. The grille itself is in awesome shape. I love the green and the blacked out hood. And here's what I really love, HEMI, baby. 426 HEMI under the hood. Those Magnum 500s look awesome. This green paint is just popping. That door gap is nice and even and flush. Up here, same thing, nice and flush. Door lips in here are all nicely painted. Looks like it's had some new rubber put on it. Look down that big long quarter panel there. Look how nice and straight that paintwork is. That big old deck lid is flat as a pancake. Chrome on the back bumper looks good, and that's where all the music from that HEMI's coming out, right there in those tips. Got my little buddy, the Road Runner, there. Got a couple of trunk keys here. There it is. Inside the trunk, everything's nice and clean in here also. Trunk floor's in good shape. Wheel wells look good. All the lips in here look good. The door lips here. And the trunk lid look awesome. Look down the side of this baby. Look how nice and straight she is. Door's nice and flush with the front, rear fender there. Everything's nicely painted in here also. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are not consignment dealers. That means we've spent the time to check this thing out before we bought it. When we got it here to the shop, we inspected it so we can answer all your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. Now let's check out the interior. Check out the door panel. Man, is that nice. All the paintwork looks good. The carpeting looks great. Steering wheel looks awesome. The upholstery on the front seat's in great shape. The upholstery in the back looks awesome. Headliner's in great shape. Dash pad itself looks great. The gauges and the lenses all look fantastic on the dash. All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. All right, let's go for a ride in a HEMI Road Runner. Man, this baby is sweet. HEMI under the hood. Beautiful paint job on this baby. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Road Runner anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call him anytime and he will park this HEMI in your driveway. Listen to that exhaust. Man, she sounds sweet. Just got an awesome sound coming out of that HEMI. She's driving nice and straight too. No hands on the wheel. Dash is in beautiful shape. Now, this is a go fast car, guys. 426 Hemi under the hood. That's in a Road Runner, 1969. Listen to that exhaust. Man, she sounds awesome. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, our shop's right outside the Motor City. We're about 20 minutes from the airport. So if you want to come out and check this baby out, please give us a call. Fly on out, drive on out, send your inspector out. We will accommodate you or your inspector. Anything you need to see, we will take care of you. Get out here in front of this traffic. Everybody's going slow. You want to check out this Road Runner. Yeah, that's about quarter throttle right there. This Hemi's sweet. We're coming up on our shop here. Oh, we got to get away from this grass cutting guy. Gonna be spraying grass out our HEMI Road Runner here. Now, if you see anything on the car that you'd like a little different, make sure you give Tom a call. Let him know. We might be able to take care of that for you. We've got 13 mechanics on staff here. Now, here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick around now because we're gonna put this baby on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we'll get underneath the hood and check out that Hemi. All right, we're underneath this HEMI Road Runner now, and man, she is clean under here too. It's got a great looking exhaust system on it, tanks all painted, trunk floor looks good, drop downs look great, wheel wells look nice and solid, the frame is solid as rock. We got a, looks like a 489 case, right around a 323 gear, and she is a sure grip, putting that HEMI power to the ground. Looks like brand new shocks. And here at Vanguard, the guys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order, make sure the wheel cylinders are good, make sure everything's installed correctly, and there are drum brakes back here. As you can see, the pipes here look fantastic. Floorboards look fantastic. Looks like she's got an aftermarket drive shaft in her, keep that Hemi from twisting that baby. Cross member looks good. Frame looks great up here. 727 trans up front. That's that Hemi up front here, all nice and clean underneath. Looks like the front suspension's been all rebuilt. She does have drum brakes up front also, and again, the guys will pull them all apart, make sure they're in good working order. I see new flex lines there. Got beautiful chrome on the bumper. Core support looks good. K-member looks awesome. Wheel wells are nice and clean. This thing is sweet underneath. Let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, up front, we got brand new Magnums, brand new red lines, and I tell you what, these red lines are expensive. I think they're over 200 bucks a piece. Now, the wheel wells are nice and clean. Paintwork right down into the wheel well looks good. I always get in here and check the back sides of the front fenders to find out if there's any patchwork. Nothing there, baby. Nice, smooth metal. Bottom sides of the rockers look good. That pinch weld's beautiful. Awesome car here. Let's look what's on the rear. Out back, we got the same brand new Magnums, same great looking red line Firestones. They're 7015s. These are the bias plies that would have came on from the factory. Let's check under the hood for that Hemi. Under the hood here, just what you want in your Road Runner, baby. 426 Hemi. This is a 65 block. She's got twin 600 CFM 4 barrels under there, so she's got dual 4s. It's got a factory appearing distributor in it. Everything's painted up nice. Got the Mopar battery in it. All the wheel wells are nicely painted. The firewall looks great. All the wiring looks good. All the hoses are Chrysler. Alternator looks like it's new. Radiators, a Chrysler radiator. It's got the Mimi porn in her. Everything under here. It looks like a brand new master cylinder. She does have power steering, and she is manual brakes. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. I tell you what, this HEMI Road Runner is ready to go, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're going to give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.